Hey, what's going on, everybody? So, doing some organizing, making some more room up here in our work area. And the Camaro's been sitting over here for a while, so I figure we'll push it out, wash it off a little bit, do a little quick walk around. I know some people have been asking about it, so let's check it out. You know, I was just sitting here thinking. The original plan was that I was going to get everything organized, finish the shop, and before I started, doing videos. And but in the last couple years, we've had to clean out some elderly relatives' houses, clear them out totally. And a lot of the stuff just got crammed in the shop and around the shop. That's why everything looks so cluttered. Which it's a process, and we're trying to go through stuff and get rid of stuff, and keep some stuff. But you need some out time, and I wanted to work on some stuff, so I just kind of made a little bit of room, pulled in there, and then of course I wanted, I might as well be making a video on the stuff. So we started early, and but we're getting there, and we're slowly trying to get organized, and yeah, life happens. This is my 1973 LT Camaro, last year, the split bumper. Yeah, so I bought this with the clip completely off and no motor. And I got like 4 or 5 bins just full of parts. And the inside's full of parts. All the interior is in the shop. The interior looks really, really nice. The seats are all super nice. The headliner is super nice. Carpet. The the gauge cluster I got stored in there. I just, like I said, I just put the things on the front clip on there so nothing really lines up, but at least it's secure for now. You know, I got this car, and the guy had bought it, and it was a complete running car, and it was running in 2015, and he took the motor out and was gonna start redoing it all. So it's got the usual issues. The bottom of the door and the front of the fender there, or quarter panel, it's got rust. Looks like he was starting to do some work on it. You know, obviously just the bottom half. The top half doesn't look too bad, but who knows what kind of, you know, body work they did underneath this paint. And I mean, he just totally blew it apart, and then decided that, you know, he didn't want to mess with it, so he kept the motor, and then that box in there is a brand new bumper. This one's a little bent right there, but you know, the trunk's not bad at all. A few little issues, but they put a new plate and everything in there. You know, it's got the Flowmaster, nice exhaust on there. So, you know, I got to thinking, what year is the cutoff, you know, for, I mean, I don't have to have a mullet, do I? So, that's a close one. It looks like and this looks good. I don't know what kind of Bondos. You know, like I say, we'll strip it down, and at least the bottom half. And you got rust right there. Looks like you started a little work right there. Totally fixable. Not bad. I mean, for these cars, I noticed a little bit of rust, you know, in the window channel up here. And why do everything I have broken windshields? Crying out loud. Anyways, so I did pay up for this one. I paid $3,800 for it. I think you could get, with them running in pretty halfway decent shape, around here you get 10 grand every day. So I think we'll do all right on this one. And but yeah, pretty cool. I got all the headlights, the bumper pieces. It's just the little short bumpers that go right there. This is an air conditioning car too, so you know, I'm pumped about that. That might be a summer driver. But the inside of the doors look pretty good. I got all the panels. Some big old 6x9s in the back. But I mean, everything in the car. You got the dry shaft over there, the new bumper. There's that little bit of rust in the floor right there in the front. The rest of the floor looks really good. They got door panels. The dash is pretty cracked up and crusty. Typical hanging doors. But she's got disc brakes on the front and drums on the back, and she's got the 10 bolt. I think that'd be make a cool hot rod. Definitely love those front ends. I mean, I think that's the coolest thing about these cars. Doors closed pretty good. But we'll get everything aligned and we'll get everything adjusted, and we'll go over it. I mean, someone's went to some time and effort on this car. They just didn't, you know, it's a Camaro. It's not the 69, 68, you know, it's not the first gen Camaro, but I think these second generations are pretty cool. I don't know if we'll keep the fin on the back. I mean, they look pretty cool without too. Very distinct look, but you know, I don't know. Definitely don't know. All right, well, we'll take it down. We'll get it down and we'll get it stored and covered and put it in the barn and keep it for another project for another day. Like I said, we got our hands full with the 57, the 66, and then the truck. We got all kind of jiggling around all at once. So, but I appreciate everybody watching, and we'll catch you on the next video.